Hello students. Today I will discuss about internet speed testing using Python. First, install the speedtest CLI library, which is used to perform speed tests. Pop install speedtest CLI command installs the library in the Colab environment. Then the speedtest library is imported to use its functionalities. After that, the speedtest object is created, which will be used to perform speed tests. Now the download and upload methods are used to get the download and upload speeds, respectively. The speeds are converted from bits per second to megabits per second by dividing by 10**6. Here the results are printed to the console, showing the download and upload speeds in Mbps. The line print f download speed download_speed 0.2f Mbps uses an f string in Python to format and print the download speed download_speed with 2 decimal places 0.2f followed by the unit Mbps indicating megabits per second. This expression ensures that the download speed is displayed as a floating point number with 2 digits after the decimal point. Finally, you can run this code in a Colab notebook to quickly check your internet speed. Note that the actual speed may vary based on various factors, and it's recommended to run the test multiple times to get a more accurate average speed. Thanks for stay with us. Subscribe channel for more tutorials.